A case of bird flu has now been confirmed in a northern Iowa turkey flock. State agriculture officials say about 31,000 birds are affected at a commercial farm, marking Iowa's fifth detection of avian flu in poultry this year. The strain is deadly to domestic birds and can wipe out entire flocks in days. Governor Kim Reynolds has extended a disaster proclamation for Sioux and Palo Alto counties through early January. According to Reynolds, this keeps state resources available for tracking, containment, and cleanup efforts. Loose dogs are keeping a